এদিকে আসো, পরে দেখো। হ্যাঁ, ওকে, these two cerebrum hemisphere in our body. Okay, so between this cerebrum hemisphere there will be a meningeal layer, and this meningeal layer is called falx cerebri. Okay, and here there should be the two cerebellum. So between the cerebrum and the cerebellum there is the continuation of this meningeal layer. It is called tentorium cerebelli. Why it is called tentorium? Because it's a tan shaped, means tabu, tan shaped. That's why it is called tentorium cerebelli. And now between the two cerebellum there is also a meningeal layer that goes, and it is called falx cerebelli. Okay, so falx cerebelli, so means the falx cerebri and falx cerebelli that lies into the midline. Okay, and which goes transversely, it is called tentorium cerebelli. Okay, and another part is remaining, which I have already told, which is called diaphragm or Sheila. Okay, so these four folding, these four are the meningeal folding we can find in between our brain to separate the parts of the brain. Okay, now we have to know about the sinuses presence in these foldings. Okay, এই ফিগারটা কি দেখা যাচ্ছে? দেখো তো এই ফিগারটা, এটা দেখা যাচ্ছে ফিগারটা? আচ্ছা, যারা দেখছো পরে বাকিটা দেখছো। দিস ওয়ান আমরা এটা পাশ থেকে দেখছি, আপনি we are now seeing from side. Okay, so this one is called falx cerebri. It is called falx cerebri, and above the falx cerebri there is a sinus lies, venous sinus lies, which is called superior sagittal sinus, and below the falx cerebri there is a sinus lies which is called inferior sagittal sinus. Okay, so from here we can say that the falx cerebri has two border. One is attached border, which is attached to the skull, and one is free border. In the attached border there is a sinus lies which is called superior sagittal sinus, and in the free border there is also a in the free border there another sinus lies which is called inferior sagittal sinus. So in this falx cerebri we can find two sinus, above superior sagittal sinus, below in the free border inferior sagittal sinus. Okay, and here along with the tentorium cerebelli there is a sinus lies which is called transverse sinus. Along this tentorium cerebelli there is a sinus lies which is called transverse sinus, and one other sinus we have to know which is called straight sinus. Okay, so from where this straight sinus goes, so if এটা নাও, এখন এটা নিয়ে যাও, আমি যদি এটা একটু দেখি, দেখো, if I want to show here the sinus, along here one sinus lies which is called superior sagittal sinus. Here the superior sagittal sinus lies. Okay, and this one is falx cerebri. Okay, so along with this free border of the falx cerebri the inferior sagittal sinus lies. One lies superiorly, that's called superior, and along with this free border inferior sagittal sinus lies. Okay, along with this tentorium cerebelli one sinus lies which is called transverse sinus. Okay, and one sinus that go through like this straight, that's why it is called straight sinus. So this এই যে এখানে কি হয়েছে, ইনফিরিয়র, এখানে কি হয়েছে বলতো, the inferior sagittal sinus and the transverse sinus and the superior sagittal sinus, there is a triangular part here. From here one sinus that goes straight which is called straight sinus. Okay, আমরা যখন পরে পড়বো তখন দেখবো আরো একটু বিষয়টা ক্লিয়ার হবে আর কি, ঠিক আছে। একটু দেখো তো, ফিগার আছে একটা সাইনাসের, একটু বের করো তো। না, এটা না, দেখো